what is cauterization, burning?
Cauterization, I think you're a doctor, you know. That is a person who's, has some illness. Let's say he's got sciatica. People in our country, they try on him a number of things. One of them is they burn the nerve, which is they burn him in the anklets, there in the ankle down, and they burn the nerve because that nerve is the one is trapped and is causing the trouble, so they burn it. So they cause the burning, and the burning helps. But the Prophet ﷺ, he said that keep away from it because it takes you from the 70,000, and it should be the last medicine. And the Prophet ﷺ, he had actually branded, he had cauterized Sa'd ibn Zurara radiallahu anhu. Okay, so he had made it. He had made cauterization, but he said, آخر الشفاء الكي. That is the last of the medicines supposed to be the cauterization. Don't do it. Okay, don't ask for it. If it's been done to you without you asking for it, you shouldn't ask. You shouldn't agree on it. But if you've been asked, you've been doing it while you were, for example, unconscious, then you're not exempted from the 70,000. And if you've done it, even with your request, it doesn't mean you are going to be in hell. But you're going to be questioned. That's what it is. Now.